In this expression, we are asked to simplify this completely. In order to simplify this completely, we need to remember PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. Well, what PEMDAS tells us is it tells us what order we are supposed to be operating in. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. What a lot of people get wrong with this is that they forget that the division and multiplication, it doesn't matter the order as long as you go from left to right. So if division shows up first from left to right, we do that first. If multiplication shows up first from left to right, we do that. And the same is true for addition and subtraction, whichever one comes first from left to right. So looking at our expression, we have 4 divided by half times 2. Let's run through PEMDAS, our order of operations. P stands for parentheses, which we do not have. E stands for exponents, which we do not have in our expression. So we're left with multiplications and divisions. Notice that we have division that happens before multiplication, and we have 4 divided by a fraction. Well, if we want to divide 4 by a fraction, we want to remember the phrase keep, change, flip. Keep tells us that we are going to keep the first number, so the 4 is going to remain the same. The change is going to tell us that we are going to do the opposite of the division, which is going to be a multiplication. And the flip tells us that we are going to flip our fraction, so the numerator will go to the denominator, and the denominator will go to the numerator. In other words, we are going to have 2 over 1, which is the same thing as 2. Continuing on, we will see that both of them are multiplications. We have 4 times 2, which is going to give us 8, then times that by 2 more, which is going to give us 16. So our answer is 16.